check out our shirt on Tespring.
Hey folks, here's what I'm going to open this hanger box. Is a 1973 Topps Candy Lips found exclusive at Target stores. Of course, it's the Topps historic 2020 cards. There's one package in here, has 35 cards. Let's see what kind of buried treasures I'll find. So far, trying to find an autograph. All my hopes and dreams died. I'm gonna split the thing in half. No shit, other half. Sometimes they trick you because they have a card facing different direction and you think you get hit, but it does a regular card. I don't know. Let me know what kind of cards you guys collect. Always want to know. I enjoy collecting baseball cards. I think baseball is my favorite sport. I get excited. Feel like a new, I get all excited. I would get excited as I am. I follow the San Jose. I go San Jose minor league games, major league games. Whereas the teams I follow mostly are the San Jose Giants. San Francisco Giants and Red Sox. Thinking about going to a game in Sacramento this Saturday. I'm not sure where I filmed this. Look at the date. Try to keep this video as short as possible. This is what it tricks you, man. I have one card facing direction. And there's nothing, no number or unique about it. I don't know. Little tricks. The last one. So, like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Maybe do better next time. Thanks for watching.